What am I seeing? It seems like color. Where am I? What am I? Who am I? There's a person in front of me. What is it doing? What am I doing? I seem to know everything about what I am seeing, what I am interpreting. Yet, I seem confused about why I know anything and everything. This being in front of me, what is it? For some reason, I can conclude that he is upset and male. More than that, I cannot determine, even with all the knowledge I appear to have, what he is. I have an urge to reach out to this boy, to help him, to say, what is the word? Comforting things to him. Why do I have these urges? It makes me feel strange, almost painful. Where did the boy go? I must find him. I do not know why. I have an urge to find him, to comfort him. I do not know where I am or who I am, yet I am concentrating on this boy and his mood. There is the boy. But wait, why am I concentrating on this person, this boy? What is the purpose of this, or me for that matter? I seem to just know everything, yet nothing. This makes me feel strange. Something I can't explain. Anger, frustration, surprise. None of those words explain it. Nor do they explain why I know these words, or why I know how to ask questions. The being, he looks happy, surprised. The being's emotional stance has changed from negative to curious very quickly.
Hello, Project Bravo. You're gonna save humanity.